Okay, now to start, first of all, we have this rod here. What we do is we loosen the screw first, bolt, so we keep going. The reason why I've done this is when we get the forklift underneath the weighing belt, we want to make sure we can reduce, untighten. When this drops, we can put some weight underneath with the forklift and bring it down, so we could then undo the bolt underneath. Also, we do the same with the other one on the other side. So we also undo this bolt nut until it's equal with the other side. And now we'll bring the forklift and put it underneath. I'll show you what we're doing now.
Forklift girecek pozisyon yok ise vinçle de kaldırabilirsiniz.
Okay. Oh, if you don't have a forklift, you could also use a winch or crane to lift it up. Now what I'm going to do is tell you what we do next step. Now, you loosen the bottom bolts. So there'll be one on this side and one on the other side. Once you undo that, when the forklift or crane or whatever you're using starts to lower, this top will determine how far down you can go. So we can go as much as we want, as long as we undo this. Okay, do the same on the other side. Now, we'll start to lower the forklift. İndir abi. As you can see, it's coming down. It'll come down to the level where it stops at the bolt. And then you just retighten the top. And now that I've tightened that, you can see the difference between the height. So
Aynı ölçüde indirelim.
you need to measure also this height here, so you got equal amount of measurement on both sides. Once that's completed, you're finished. And then you do the same with the other end. Okay. Now we've got the back end. We're going to do the same for the front end as well. Okay. Now this is the other end. What we do is we loosen this nut here and also this nut here. And same, I've done it on the other end as well. You see those two nuts there? We'll loosen them as well. And then we've got the forklift underneath, so we're ready to do the rest of the...
Böyle. Tamam, kaldırmış zaten.
Şimdi alttaki civataları da görüşeceğiz.
Forkliftle yukarı kaldırdıktan sonra diyorsun. O da değil abi.
Okay. Şimdi alacağız mı?
Bunun altındakini gevşetiyoruz abi.
Evet. Bu olsa değil mi abi?
Şu alttakini gevşetiyoruz. Bunun altına.
Bu zaten sonunda.
Tamam, gevşettik.
Okay. And same on the other side.
Diğerini de gevşettik.
And we've also done the same on the other side as well. And now we're ready to drop. Ama indirsek bu inecek ki.
Tamam, şimdi indireceğiz. Şöyle indiriyor.
Once we've dropped the forklift blades down, we can now tighten the nuts again.
Boşta kalıyor.
Okay?
O boşta kalıyor. Sadece local bağlı olan.
This is a load cell. You don't need to tighten that, but you need to tighten these ones here on both ends, same as the other end as well. So to sum up our action, what I've done is we've just dropped the nuts to a lower level on the studs here on the load cells. Once that's come down, the whole system also comes down with it. So you'll have more space with the sand that's coming up. So we should now eliminate having that sand coming all the way to the top of the gate.
Zaten kantarın ayarını yaptığımız hijler bunlar diyeceksiniz.
Okay, so these are also the same studs that give the load cell its weight restriction. So now we're working on both ends here, so we make sure that it's all level, it's all at the same measurement, and the load cells are the same on both ends. You shouldn't have any problems.
Diğer hij nakliye için kullanılıyor.
And also, this one here is not a problem. This is only used for transportation means, so we don't have problems, with the buckling or anything. Once it arrives to you guys, you don't even need to use these. So all the load is here on 4 of these. That's all.